You are all live on the Defcado TV. Big up yourselves every time, you know. Energy na ya yedi ba on, no be small energy. You for know. See, the beef where they go on there right now. There, Atija, my guy. The beef Atija, it tear fire. The beef tear fire. It be like Samini. See, say the short pointed way you drop, you know. People they complain say it's not is whack, you know, be weak, you know, be hard punches and blah 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 blah. Charlie, my guy. Samini enter studio again for the second time, you know. Where the one John way drop, you know, the one junkie song with Samini drop, you know, bad. The one John song, bad. My guy, bad. You know bad. When we say bad, you know bad. They won't beat him. Yes. Big up Samini everywhere. Big up Samini every time. Big up high grade. Yeah, man. Listen. First of all, the song was produced by the One Beat. The song was produced by the One Beat. And the song is One John. Now, I want to describe the artwork which Samini bring up. But I'm not going to give you the meaning of the artwork now. I will give you the meaning maybe in the next episodes. But right now, the One John song, the artwork, you know, it be like some throne be day. Some throne be day. Black throne. Where he write the One John for in front. So some bulldog be the seat on the throne. And the throne, if you check the back of the throne, you go see say the rain symbol. The rain, you know, say Shatawale drop album, we're gonna rain album. Yes. So the rain symbol we did a chair body, which they signify say the rain king, your rain king, it being be the dog where they sit on the chair. Oh, punch. The artwork said be punch already. The artwork said be punch line. Oh Samini. It be like now Samini charged up, Samini fired up. So now no, the beef go sweet, the beef go jump. But now with the beef go be healthy. The reason why me I make happy right now be say the beef no go be healthy. I'm a beef native, my nigga. So when I'm talking about this shit, I know what I'm saying. I'm a beef native. I feed on beefs. I don't eat banku. I don't eat anything. All I eat is beefy, tolo beefy. You know? Yes. If you want that, water they chop every time. So this song here, it be like as Samini drop the artwork, you know, boys started say, hey, yo, if you drop this song where Charlie, you know, they go on the where they bring that emoji where they strip himself, you know, and they put that one under, you know, to say that, which means that if he drop the song where the song not they go on, the song not the pop, the song not the vibe, they don't know if you vibe like the song, they go ship them, they go strip Samini well. But it be like Samini no the one make the ship. So as he enter studio there, he go all out. Those say the song when you listen to the song, the ending part, you know, the things they talk, oh Charlie, you know, they really they hold because you say it describe the Chatawale they smoke Pomo White where he Samini they smoke the high grade. So you know if you smoke the high grade they your mind for day for you know that gangster level and thing. But you know we know ball. But the song they big so that one there we know they care about the ending. We know they care about the starting. We they care about we say the beef need the I had the thing just the pop my nigga. Balls. You know? Yeah. The One John song, it being where it a trend now. As at the time with somebody, he posted the song on YouTube after 12 minutes, you know, it get 1K views on YouTube with about 61 likes too. And then I think some 1, 2, 3 dislikes, but the comment there, Bobo, you know, yeah, the high grade family boss, the high grade CEO, Samini, Emmanuel Sangmene has done it again. You know, right now they is taking Shatawale on a different level. So it be like right now, as this song with One John way it be fire no. The fans of Shatawale they talk say, yo, King Wale enter studio again. But people don't say yesterday Wale dropped two these songs for Samini. So right now, if we won't look inside, there like Samini for drop another one before Wale go come, before Wale go drop. So say the thing go because right now, Shatawale before 2 now. Shatawale get 4, Samini get 2. So we be like Samini for move up to number 3 or 4 before we Wale go drop. Because well, you know be Samini for Samini. The problem be say Samini forget studio for house, forget resident studio, forget studio for house, get resident engineer. So say you two, if you wake up and enter studio, you see why they take boxer shots then things they record because it they sleep for studio. If be studio bay like I always tell you. So you two, if you turn yourself to the bass song, but right now they're the one Johnson, they are not gonna lie you, my people. It be fire. It go on. The song they pop. We they feel relate. The dancehall people, no, we they feel relate. It be now we be like some minute step well. Come again, King. Come again, Dada. Dance man stand up.